Hello, this is Hyecho 7.2 volts cordless grass shear. How to replace the blades. Open the fastener, put in the pruning blade, and align the installation position. Then install the fastener. Let's check how it works. Common problems and solutions. Firstly, the machine cannot boot. Please check if the switch lock is loose. Just fix it. Secondly, let's check the charging light status. Put in the USB charger. The red light is on, which is in charge. When the charging is finished, the green light is on. That's all, thank you.